Hey guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download CapCut in Android. So this is the video for those who don't know how to download CapCut in Android. So you need to just go to Play Store on your phone. So after going to Play Store, here you can see in the top search bar, just click on the search bar. Now search for CapCut. After searching CapCut, here you can see CapCut app and you can see an install button. Just click on the install button. Here you can see the CapCut app is installing. It is right now 77.14 MB. Here you can see the CapCut app is installing and it is installed. Now go to your menu and you can see CapCut app. So guys, this is how can you download CapCut in Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.